Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Welcome back to the channel where we make videos on mobile apps and investing tips, tricks, tutorials, experiments, all kinds of stuff like that. Today is day number 13 of investing with the Acorns app. So I'm just going to kind of do a review, let you know what I think so far, and show you what's happening. Okay, so here we are within the Acorns app. Along the top you can see present, past, and potential. So this is kind of like the main home screen. You can see I have $10.03 invested. The first thing to note is that you have to get this all set up, and then once you're set up, Acorns kind of takes your spare change and invests that for you. So it's kind of hands off. It does everything for you in the background. That makes it easy to use, but you have less control. And I'm going to tap on invest for your future right here under my name. That'll tell me I have $10.03 invested. Here are my settings. I'm on moderately aggressive. You can kind of change these settings to be whatever you want. There's a chart, and the other thing to note is that it doesn't really invest for you until you get to a $5 threshold. So it'll round up the change from all of my purchases. Then once that gets to $5, it'll meet that threshold, then invest the $5. So it does it in $5 increments. Another thing to note is that I have $5 recurring monthly. So on the first of each month, I have it set to invest $5. Let's go ahead and go back. Then I'm gonna go to past. And here it's going to show everything it's done so far. So I've done a roundup investment twice, on the 20th and on the 29th. I have a pending partner reward. So actually anyone that uses my link down in the description and signs up, we both get $5 for free. So that's a nice perk. Easy $5 if you guys want to sign up and do that. You can see so far that my investment is down 19 cents, but I think that's just because the stock market is just like generally down a little bit this week. You can also see that my recurring investment that occurs on the first of each month is in the transferring phase. So I should have $10 more added to my account soon. You can see that shows under total pending on the right side of the screen. The other thing you can go to is potential. So it kind of shows, but there you have it. That's what it looks like 13 days in. A lot of the stuff on the home screen I won't really use, so it's kind of annoying that it's there. I can't get rid of it. It's also kind of annoying that it says my account is 95% set up and you have to invest $100 to get it all the way set up. I feel like that's kind of pushy, but that's Acorn so far. Got about $10 in here. It's been like 2 weeks. It's very slow. It's just like all in the background. You don't have to do anything. So that's the benefit of it. It'll be interesting to see how this plays out over the next few weeks, to see if my portfolio goes up or down or whatever. So I'm excited to check that out. Also, if you guys want the free $5 through Acorns, just go ahead and sign up through my link and we both get $5 for free. I'm also doing Robinhood investment videos and Cash App videos, so you can check those out as well. With Robinhood, you can also sign up using my links and get a free stock up to $500. But that's it for this one. I hope you guys found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more Acorns updates. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.